Once you have logged into Genesis and you have signed all the documents and forms, you will be able to see the summary page of your child's Genesis account. And on this summary page, you are going to be able to see their courses, their grade, their ID, their school picture, and this box right here, which is probably the most important, will have their assignments. You're going to notice that some days have a 0, some days have 1, and maybe they may have a different number. If you click on that number, that is going to open up the list of assignments that that child has that are due on that day. So currently, this student has a math assignment that is due on March 31st. If you go back to weekly summary, it'll break it down over the course of the week. If I hit Friday, I'm going to see that on Friday, this student has a homework assignment due on Friday the 3rd. I'm also going to see that they have a quiz on April 1st. Going back to the summary screen, you can also click on Gradebook. Again, you will see a list of the courses that the student is enrolled in. Once assignments begin to accumulate grades, you will see their average right here in this column. If you click on the title of the course, you will then see a list of assignments for the week. Some teachers may also include comments in this comment column regarding if they had time in class, what page numbers or notes could go along with that assignment, the day that it was due, the grade that they received, and if the student was missing homework, it'll say missing here. So this would be where you can see also the grades that your student received for those assignments. And if you do need to change the time period or the course, you can select the drop down from here, as well as select the calendar here. And you can filter by graded assignments. And you can also filter by missing assignments. And you can even look to see if they have any assignments in the future. Which they have a math test the following week.